Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about pay-per-call and I'm going to be giving you some advice and some tips for pay-per-call affiliate marketing. There are three things if you want to make money with pay-per-call affiliate marketing, you have to follow. Three steps. The first steps is to find the best network that's going to pay you very good amount of money, like market call, uh, eLocal. There are several other companies that are gonna pay you, so you can find them if you go to a website like OfferVault. OfferVault will help you find great website that gonna pay you in pay-per-call. Secondly, you have to uh, follow the guideline of any offer you want to apply for. If you are in market call, for example, some offer will ask you to target a specific demographics, like specific ages, specific or financial situation of people, or a specific state. They may not ask you for all the United States. They may ask you like to target people in New York, New Jersey, Florida. They may ask you specific questions. So one thing you will have to do, you will have to specifically, when you do your ad on Google Ads, target exactly these locations that they ask you to target. And when you do so in Google Ads, it is easy to have conversion, because if you forget to target them, you may have a lot of calls, but they are not qualified. You won't have any credit for them. The third step, third things that you have to do is to have some upfront investment, some money. You put some money apart because you're gonna use Google Ads to generate phone calls. So you will need from 200 to 300 up to 500 the first time you start, because you may spend your first $100 and you don't see any conversion. If you just have only one phone calls, that is a good sign. You're gonna see which keyword bring you the call and which demographics, which state, and at what time you find these conversion, and you're gonna try to focus on these criteria, these data, and just focus all your effort on this. And when you do so, you'll have a lot of calls. You will have a lot of people that are gonna call you, call on the phone number, and you're gonna make money. That's my method, the method that I use myself, and that helped me generate a lot of phone calls and make money with pay-per-call affiliate marketing. So I help people in coaching one-on-one. So if you want me personally and video call like on Zoom to help you with your pay-per-call affiliate marketing, you can just text me on Skype at princeherly.sylvester. I'm gonna write it on the screen, so I will answer you. For my coaching, it's very expensive. I will suggest you to take my training instead. The training is for today. My training is only for only $100 because I decrease my price for some of y'all that want to make money using pay-per-call affiliate marketing. As I said, pay-per-call is one of the best business model where you don't have to do a lot of efforts. You just have to make people call in a certain phone number, and when they call and they follow all the guideline by the network or the company, you make money. Just imagine someone that need flight booking services, for example. So they go on Google and search for flight booking or cheap flights, and you are the guy who run an ad on the very first page of Google, and they end up clicking on the ad or call the phone number. If they stay over a certain amount of minutes on the phone, you make money. You can get paid from $20 up to $100 just for a phone call. There are some other examples like motor accident, motor vehicle accident, people who get injured and they need services. They may call and you make money. So that's the idea. Today, I'm so happy again to talk to you. If you need my coaching, just hit me on Skype, or if you just need my training, the link will be on the description. It was your friend as always, Fadel. Bye-bye.